We are still in the midst of winter, and like this evening, winter weather brings snow and ice.
It's something we've already seen in the Wabash Valley today. Storm Team 10's Joseph Dames is live in the elements. He'll break down one winter weather myth. Joseph?
Well, it's here, everyone. Just like we said, all afternoon and morning, the snow is going to get here for our evening, and it's coming down pretty good. We haven't seen much snow in Terre Haute really all winter. Now, as it gets colder, it's going to make the ground slick and icy, and there's one thing that makes that a little bit better, and that's salt, and I'll be breaking down a popular myth about it right here.
It prevents the water from freezing at its typical temperature.
Solution? Solute? Well, just salt. Salt is the solute that's the solution to keeping the ice away. But do you know why? It might not be the reason you think. Here's a common myth. Salt melts ice. Well, I hate to break the ice, not exactly. It is more than that. Science.
When water freezes, it forms this nice little geometric pattern. When you add in salt, like calcium chloride, it disrupts the ability for that water to be able to bind to each other, causing liquid.
Bullying those water molecules from forming. But you've held salt, it isn't burning up, it isn't hot. This can be confusing, so there's nothing a set of children blocks can explain.
Let's imagine that each one of these blocks represents a molecule of water. Right now you're looking at liquid water, but when the temperature drops and when it freezes, these water molecules come together to form this nice geometric pattern. Ice. So how does salt melt the ice? It doesn't melt it like you would think about melting it. The salt is not warm, but instead, salt helps to interfere with the formation of this nice geometric block of ice. When you add this salt to your ice, these break up that pattern. So, this water molecule can't form tightly, and you have liquid water.
So the answer to this weather myth, salt doesn't melt the ice. It actually keeps ice from forming by lowering the temperature of the freezing point. In Terre Haute with photojournalist Curtis Akers, I'm Joseph Dames. How about that science?
You can use table salt to also help prevent ice, but it isn't nearly as efficient as road salt.
I love that because he explained that so well, and Mr. Bill Nye, the science guy, made that so elementary, which is what I needed.
Absolutely, and that makes me too. Peter brought back memories of high school chemistry class, and